Derivation of what? The laws of what? Logarithm, part what? 8. And of course, this has to do with the derivation of the 8th law of logarithm. This happens to be one of the what? Uncommon what? Laws of what? Logarithm. And that law states that what? The logarithm of what? A number, say A in this case, to what? A base which is existing in an index form, that is b raised by x. That is the logarithm of A to base b raised by x is defined as what? The product of the reciprocal of the exponent of the base. Are you there? And what? The log of what? A to base b. Interpreting or expressing this mathematically, we have the law says that what? The log of what? A to base what? B raised by s, which is existing in an index form, is as good as 1 all over the power of what? The base, which is x, the log of what? A to base b. This is what? Unusual. It's not conventional. So our responsibility or task in this particular video is to see to the derivation of what? This particular law, how this law originated, to authenticate it. To do that, we shall be representing this particular what? Expression with a particular alphabet. So let's say, let us what? Represent. Let us represent. Are you there? The log of what? A to base b raised by s. Let us use y to represent it. Let us what? Use what? Y to what? Represent it. Now, don't forget, if this is this, automatically y is what? The log of what? A to base what? B raised by what? X. Now remember one of what the laws of logarithm we derived. I think that should be the fourth law of logarithm. The fourth law of logarithm states that what? The log of what? A to base what? B is as good as what? The log of A to a new base divided by what? The log of what? B to what? The new base. If that is true, it means that what? The log of A, applying this knowledge now to this, it means that the log of A to base B raised by X becomes, are you there? Let's call this equation what? 1. Reinterpreting equation 1, using this knowledge, we have y now is equals to what? The log of what? A to our new base, let's say m, divided by the log of what? Our b raised by s to our new base. Now, I call this equation number 2. Record to another law of what? Logarithm. I think that should be the third law of logarithm. The third law of logarithm states that the logarithm of what? The n power of a number to a particular base is defined as what? The product of what? The power and the log of what? The number. That is the log of a to the power of what? N to base b, that is log a raised by what? N to base what? B is as good as what? N log what? A to base b. Remember, that's what? The log of what? A raised by n is as good as what? N, the log of what? A. Are you there? Log of a raised by n to base b is as good as what? N log a to base what? B. If that is true, it means that this denominator can be reinterpreted. Doing that, we have what? Y now is equals to what? The log of what? A to our new base divided by. Now this particular what? Power or exponent becomes what? A multiple to what? The log of what? B to base m. So we have x, the log of what? B to base what? M. Therefore, y is equals to 1 all over x into bracket our log of what? A to our new base divided by the log of what? B to what? The new base. Now don't forget, y was actually what? Employed to represent a particular what? Expression. Look at it here. We said let, from the onset, we said let y represent log of a, either to base b raised by s. Imply that wherever I see what? Y in this particular expression, it will be right for me to put this. Doing that, we have what? The log of what? A to the base of b raised by s is as good as what? 1 all over x into bracket the log of what? A to base m divided by the log of what? B to base what? M. Again, going by this particular what? Law, log A to base m divided by log B to base m is as good as log A to base B. Now bringing in this into this, we have what? Finally, that what? The log of what? A to base b raised by s is now equals to 1, right? Over what? S, the log of what? A to base b. So indeed, the log of what? A number, say A, to an index base, which in this case is b raised by s, is equals to the reciprocal of what? The power. That is 1 over s log A to base B. This is a validation of the 8th law of what? Logarithm. Please do not hesitate to like, share, comment, and of course follow up toward the derivation, follow up rather with a series of the derivation of what? The laws of logarithm in part what? 9, where we shall be deriving the 9th law of what? Logarithm. Love you and God bless.